SIBBIR birds aviary, thank you for being with me. I am trying to learn more about the normal Bazigar bird. Normal, the most common mutation. Black head and neck barring, black wing feathers with yellow or white edges, depending on body color, which is either white or yellow based. The budgie can be any of the basic body colors, green, yellow, but if it has the wild type markings, it will be of the normal variety. There are two budgie body colors groups: the green series, all varieties with yellow present, and the blue series, without yellow present, when white is base color. Green series include dark green, light green, olive, dark green normal, dark green budgie, light green normal, light green budgie, olive green normal, olive budgie. Blue series, white base without yellow gene include sky blue, cobalt, mauve, gray, violet. Sky blue normal,